Scooting down 81 here. And I'm just doing a before and after. Trying to get rid of the wind noise here. And I'll try and put the microphone up to the window, see if you can hear the wind noise, because it's really loud on the highway. And I'm doing a little bit over 70 right now. I don't know if you can hear that, but alright, I'm gonna take another video when this fuckface gets out of my way here. Yeah, VTEC baby, scooting at about 80, and the faster you go, the louder it gets. Okay, so now as you can see, this piece is a little bit dented. That could be my problem. We got a little bit of tear that could be causing some wind noise. So this probably has to be replaced. But if you look here, there's no felt. It's like a felt material that I'm going to be putting in. Now if we come over to the Volkswagen, the German engineering, as you can see, it's got this, it's like a felt material, and it goes all the way to the back here. And I think that is going to make a huge difference on the Honda. So let's see here. This is the stuff I got. It's AmeriSeal. It's like I said, it's like that felt material, little felt rubber here. I'm going to use some alcohol and some paper towels to clean up the area. So like I was saying, try and put this right here, right like that. Oh yeah. I forgot my damn scissors upstairs. Alright, so to use this shit, like I said, you just clean the surface, you peel this white backing off. It's a self-stick. We're gonna stick it on there. If I can get it fucking started here. Alright, I got it started. That's where I start. Now we're gonna work our way all the way to the back door. So we're just gonna open it. And we're just gonna continue on here. Just want to press on it real hard. Make sure it sticks real good there. Alright, and that's where I stopped, because that's where it stopped on the other car. So, well, let's see if this door's closed with that stripping away. Sounds pretty good. Just gonna go and make sure that I pressed on it real good, so it doesn't come off on me. Yeah, it actually sounds pretty good. And I actually got 10 foot of that shit, and I thought it would be enough, but that's all I have left from just doing this top strip. So you're definitely gonna need more than 10 feet if you want to do both sides. And here's one I didn't do. Here's the door I did. Alright, now take it for a cruise and compare the video, see if it'll translate, if it's any quieter than before, less wind noise. Alright, so here's the sound test. We're going about almost 55. Now I don't know if that'll come through on video, but it definitely sounds a little bit quieter. Beautiful view over there. Pennsylvania mountains. Alright, peace.
Any questions, comment down below.